Muslim cleric Sufi Imam Mehdi Hassan was slapped by an alleged VHP worker outside a court in Gujarat today. The cleric was arrested for his controversial comments regarding the Navratri festival. While the comments he made are unacceptable, questions are also being raised over the VHP's attempt to take the law in their hands. Hassan, a Gujarat-based cleric, first hit the headlines in 2011 when he offered a skull cap to the then Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi during his Sadbhavna fast. Remember, that was a skull cap that Modi had refused. Hassan had then shot into the limelight, but the fresh controversy he's involved in is one over his comments about the Navratri festival. Abhishek now joins us on the phone line. Abhishek, has the VHP given any response at all to this completely shocking behavior from one of their alleged workers?
Well, Padmja, on the record, they are mum, but what they are saying is that this imam is known for taking political stands. So, in fact, he's also crossing his own brief so far as his profession is concerned. He had done this act of putting a face cap on the then Chief Minister Narendra Modi at the time of Sadbhavna fast, and now he has made a statement which has a lot of vitriol in it and can be called incendiary and inflammatory. So, in effect, there was this anger in Gujarat, and the VHP says that they were just venting that anger on him. Of course, the top leaders in the BJP maintain that the law should not be taken in the hands by anyone, and to that extent, this attack on him is being condemned. But they are seeing it in the light of the sentiments and emotions that are attached of the people of Gujarat with a festival like Navratri, and the Imam having said certain things in the context of that festival has attracted a lot of opprobrium from all sections of society there.
Absolutely, but sentiments and emotions, still no excuse for anyone taking the law in their hands. Abhishek, just stay on with us, because the Congress has asked whether this entire episode was on purpose not prevented by the Gujarat government.
It is very unfortunate. I strongly condemn it. I don't agree with this lady MLA and the same time Maulana from Gujarat. We all are together. It is India. We have been celebrating all festivals together, whether it is Eid or Holi. So it is unfortunate if they are doing this and drawing a line between Hindus and Muslims. I strongly condemn. And at the same time, if this Maulana has been beaten up by Vish Hindu Parishad people, I strongly condemn it. Nobody can take law into their hands.
Maulvi should be spreading peace, and rather than doing that, he's provoking the Muslims of Gujarat. It's unfortunate. He should stick to his religious discourse, but any provocation, I'm sure Gujarat minorities will not listen, and they will continue to participate in this festival of Garbas and during Navratris, and will be equal partners in the time when we see the Navratras hitting, Garbas hitting the Gujarat. So I don't think anybody is going to follow what the Maulvi ji has said.
Abhishek is live with us. Abhishek, also bring our viewers up to speed on what action has been taken against the man who attacked the Maulvi, and what does the Gujarat government have to say in particular about this entire episode? Do they admit that there was a lapse on the part of the security apparatus in allowing this attack to happen?
Well, Padmja, I spoke to some senior officers in the police in that district, Kheda, and they said that they are looking into laxity on the part of cops, because about 20 odd of those constables were present, and despite that, this man could reach the imam and hit him or throw him off balance. To that extent, there might be some action contemplated against these policemen also at that point of time. Of course, immediately after the attack, the cops did intervene and detained and later arrested that attacker, and they have also slapped same charges against him as against Imam, so that there is, according to the cops, there is parity, and the Imam himself has been sent into judicial custody by the court. But as I was mentioning, the VHP maintains that they were only giving vent to the anger of the people or the society at large against the statement that the Imam had made, and which was in real bad taste so far as they are concerned, the people there in the state are concerned. Police, of course, having detained or arrested the attacker, have already slapped similar charges against him and are questioning him whether there was an intention to harm the Imam further. Of course, the man was unarmed, but was there any plan to take the attack further? All those aspects are being looked into. Back to you.
All right. Abhishek, just stay on with us because there are some more reactions coming in from the Gujarat BJP.
ये हमारे आध्यात्मिक त्यौहार है, हमारा पवित्र त्यौहार है। वैसे ही नवरात्रि ये हमारा हिंदुओं की जो धार्मिक भावना है, इसके साथ उसने कुठाराघात किया है। दूसरी बात जो वो कह रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ही ये हुआ नवरात्रि का त्यौहार यानी कि हमारी दुर्गा माता का और हमारी जो शक्ति है, शक्ति के उपासना का पर्व है। वो पूरे भारत में हिंदू समाज 3 नवरात्रि का उत्सव करते हैं। जैसे जन्माष्टमी है, जैसे शिवरात्रि है, वैसे 9 दिन का त्यौहार है मां की पूजा करने का। और इसके बारे में हिंदुओं की लागणी और हिंदुओं की धार्मिक भावना को नहीं देखकर जिसने चेष्टा की, वीएसपी बजरंग दल इसको माफ नहीं करेगा।
I think if a statement of this sort is made, I haven't seen it, but if at all this is the statement, I think I fail to understand what the intentions are, and I condemn this statement. It's not good for a plural democracy, for the secular fabric of India. I think such inflammatory statements should not have been made. We all have to respect everybody's religion, the culture, the Indian culture. There are the good side of a thing and a bad side of a thing, but that doesn't mean you hurt the sentiments of other Indians or people of other community.
He should not have made such comments because it provokes the other side. India is a country where you have all religions. All religions have their own respective festivals. Whether we agree or we don't agree, whether we associate or do not associate, it is none of the business of others to ridicule or comment or insult or undermine the festivals of other communities, other religions. Why this person had to make such provocative comments?